everyone, Nancy here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for January 2022. Before we begin, I'd like to invite you to check out the YourEnergyRx.com website for info on our latest offering, Energy Checks, as well as one-on-one healings, mentoring, downloadable workshops and masterclasses, and wearable healing tools. For those of you watching this when it was released, you will know that we've been through 2 years of claustrophobic hell. We've been torn from our families and friends, torn from our work, torn from our weekly mandatory for our mental health, release the grind activities. Basically, our lives have been turned upside down. It's no wonder so many of us are feeling challenges that we've never encountered before. For those of you watching this well after its original release, I'm sure you have challenges that are lingering from our 2-year incarceration. And when those challenges become heavy, when those challenges throw us into a state of confusion, when those challenges consume our daily life, we call that depression. If I've learned anything from my 30 plus years of teaching college, the thing that throws us into depression is stress. Stress causes brain waves to increase in speed and shut down the ability to actually process thought. Stress releases hormones, which send us into fight, flight, or hide mode. Stress shuts down our digestion. Stress shuts down our ability to reason and our ability to learn. No learning impedes our ability to create new neural pathways. Releasing stress is a game changer. So how do we do that? All disease begins and ends energetically. We are all energy beings living in a physical body, having a physical experience. To release stress and thus release depression, we must address our energetics. So here we go. Let's pull a code to release the stress that leads to depression. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will release the fast-moving energy of stress from our space, rewire us to recognize the creeping in of new stresses, rebalance us to only allow stress-free energies to enter our space, and perpetually replenish us with our own neutral life force energies? And let's see what code comes up. Oh, wow, I cannot believe this. The code that emerged is an Anahata code from the homeopathy category, and it is Carcinosinum cum cuprum. Carcinosinum cum cuprum. And this is a homeopathic treatment which helps heal emotional, mental, and spiritual issues. Oh my gosh, if that isn't describing depression, I don't know what is. Depression and its related stress lives in and attacks the third chakra. And according to author Carolyn Myss, the third chakra is the seat of the development of self-esteem and personality. Wow. Oh my gosh. So let's install this code for Carcinosinum cum cuprum. First thing I'd like you to do is ground. If you know how to ground, go ahead and ground. And if you don't know how to ground, put your attention on the base of your spine, down by the tailbone, and tie a rope around that tailbone. Drop the other end all the way to the center of the earth and plug it in down there, tie it around a rock, put an anchor on it and lock it in somehow. And then back at the base of your spine, I'd like you to create a switch that says release. And make sure it's in the on position. And put the command in there. Just tell it, command, intend that the grounding cord and the release switch together will release from your space everything that's not yours or no longer serves you. All the energies that are not yours or no longer serve you. Right down the grounding cord. I mean, why should you be carrying around other people's stuff? And why should you be carrying around stuff that is irrelevant to where you are right now? And then come on up to the center of your head and put your attention there behind your eyes, between your ears, and create a space in there from which to work. And make it a safe space. This is where we can be neutral with the work. We can just see or notice what's going on, feel what's going on without becoming attached and holding on to those energies. We can just release them. They can just go away down the grounding cord. Give them to Mother Earth. And breathe. And then right-handers, left-handers, there's a position we take on to help us bring in the code. And we go ahead and right-handers. Dominant hand, your right hand on your heart chakra, center of the chest. Left hand in the air like an antenna. That's going to capture the code and bring it into your space. And left-handers, switch it. Dominant hand, left hand, center of your chest on the heart chakra. Right hand in the air like an antenna. And breathe. And just put your attention on your grounding. Make sure you're still grounded. And then be up in the center of your head. And now I'm going to read the code a couple of times. And as I do, I'd like you to picture it coming from source. Well, where the hell is source? Source is where the big bucket of energy is that controls everything. Well, not controls everything, that fuels everything. Source energy fuels everything. Okay, so the code is coming from source, which is neutral energy. No good, no bad, no plus, no minus, no in, no out. No over, no under, no sideways, no down. And it's going to come into your antenna hand, the code. Just picture it as I read it off. Down your antenna arm, across your shoulders, and into your heart chakra through that delivery hand. And then allow that code to swirl through your body. And swirl through your aura. That's that electromagnetic field that surrounds us. And it's going to look for your version of that code because we have all these codes in us already. And it's going to bring your version up to full strength for you. Okay? It's going to bring that code up to full strength for you. So, here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for carcinosinum cum cuprum. 32110856456429. 321108566429. 321108566429. 321108566429. 321108566429. 321108566429. 321108566429. And close up the installation by putting both hands on your heart chakra and be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Woo, baby, I love that code. To better understand what's going on with these codes, I encourage you to watch my presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.